Good afternoon, YouTubers. It's Bob on top of Black Betty, my 2020 Electric Glide. Just coming home from work. I think I'm too old to keep working. But at least it's not raining. We don't have any of the southern storms tonight. Just being on the bike's good stress reliever. But just checking again to see how everybody is. I might be a little disillusioned. I kept thinking today was Wednesday, and it's Tuesday. So I don't know. What do you think, guys? Is this old age? Am I forgetting my days? Shoot, I'm actually going home in the right direction? Uh-oh. I don't know what this means. It's probably not very good. But I am on the motorcycle. Remember what gear I'm in. I think I'm going in the right direction. Can't remember if I ate today. Hope I ate today. I guess in all seriousness, it doesn't really matter. I'm on my motorcycle. It's a nice day. It's not hot. Able to ride a motorcycle to work. Makes me feel pretty blessed, you know what I mean? Shit, I might get over by Lake Olmsted and maybe put the drone up in the air. I'll let you know. All right. Here at Lake Olmsted. Doesn't look like there's too many people out here. It's a neat little lake. It's right by what used to be the Augusta Green Jackets Stadium. Let's see what we can do.